The Los Angeles County Medical Examiner has released new information about Tom Petty's official cause of death. The legendary rocker died last October, and Yelena Adzik is here with that story. So, sad details. Walk us through them, Yelena.
Yeah, absolutely. So, John, I have the autopsy report. I'm going to show you just the section, the salient section toward the end, where it talks about the cause of death. They say it's multi-system organ failure due to resuscitated pulmonary arrest due to mixed drug toxicity. And fentanyl and various forms of fentanyl are listed after that. And there is a line that says, based on the history, circumstances, and/or autopsy, as currently known, the manner of death is accident. So that is something that is now official. And when you take a look at this man, this legend, this music icon, he passed away October 2017, just last year, at the age of 66 years old. And his family indeed had confirmed that the cause of death was accidental prescription drug overdose as a result of taking a variety of medications. Now, the autopsy from the coroner's office also established that Petty had emphysema, he had a fractured hip and knee problems that caused him pain. Yet despite his ailments, Petty was still committed to touring. So one can only imagine the pain that he likely felt as he was embarking on those tours.
Touring with a fractured hip, an incredible thing.
Yeah.
This obviously will be having trouble dealing with his family. What are they saying?
Absolutely. And, the family is certainly taking an approach that wants to try to find something positive out of this and hopefully help other people. I'm going to give you a look at a statement from the family. They said, as a family, we recognize this report may spark a further discussion on the opioid crisis, and we feel that it is a healthy and necessary discussion, and we hope in some ways this report can save lives. And their statement goes on to say many people who overdose begin with a legitimate injury or simply do not understand the potency and deadly nature of these medications. So that's a statement issued from Tom Petty's family, just trying to reach out to others and say you need to take action, especially if you think that this might be you.